My passion in life was baking, so I was always having this passion of baking cakes, baking all kinds of sweets. Last year I decided to start this course to improve my skills, to improve my language. We actually do have 3 sections: theory, bakery and cookery. One of my favorite is bakery. I like everything. I like to know everything because one day my dream is for myself and my girls to have our business, to have our tea room. When you come and do this course, you don't learn only about baking, you learn about laws, you learn about everything you need to open a business. The lecturers are all friendly. If they see you struggling, they are happy to come and help you, give you a hand. If you struggle in the kitchen, they are happy to come and help you, explain why it's like that, why it's not like that. If it's in theory, again, the same. They are coming and ask where you are struggling, how can I help you? Absolutely come and try. Absolutely is the course you need because you have all the information. If you really have passion in cookery, you definitely have to come and try this course and you will love it.